back to my channel. My name is Jazmine. Today I am going to finally clean and reorganize my room. I have been procrastinating this for a while now. Normally I would just like surface clean so that way my room looks a little bit put together and like I'm able to walk into my room because my room is pretty wide. But I actually haven't been deep cleaning my room, which I should do because I just accumulated a whole bunch of stuff and now I just feel a little bit cluttered and a lot of things just need to go. Okay, so I've been watching a lot of Marie Kondo's videos, mostly on YouTube, even though she has a Netflix show. I only watched one episode, but I've been really liking her interviews that she's been doing and how she's been helping like people organize their things. That inspired me to KonMari my whole entire room. Okay, let's get started. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating 3 piles. My first pile is going to be my donation pile. Whenever I do like to get rid of things, I like to donate it instead of like selling it, because ain't nobody got time to sell stuff online, because at the end of the day it's still gonna be here until it's sold and I want to get rid of it as soon as possible. So the second pile is going to be the trash pile, because sometimes I'm not able to donate certain items, so those items are put in the trash. The third pile is going to be the pile that I'm keeping. Marie Kondo did say that you should keep stuff that sparks joy to you. So yeah, so you open my closet and the top part of my closet is organized. So I got these storage bins, put a whole bunch of stuff in there and it works out nicely. I also have my fall decorations up here, which works out perfectly, so that way I won't have to put it in the attic because ain't nobody going up there. I don't know what's up there. And then over here I have boxes. Getting decorated boxes is really nice because they look extremely cute and you can store a whole bunch of stuff in there. Like in this box right here, this is the box where I don't know where things go. Right here I like to keep my pants, jeans, leggings, not leggings, joggers, sweats, all right here. And then everything else I keep right here, like my dresses, my shirts, long sleeve skirts. And then this right here is to keep away the moths from eating my clothes, because that's happened numerous of times because they be eating my cute clothes. Audacity. But to be honest, I do go through this part and this part of my closet pretty often to get rid of like clothes that I don't wear anymore. So I don't need to get rid of anything in this area or in this area because I've already done it a couple months ago. See, my problem is that this part of my closet is jam-packed. Like it's hard for me to like kind of look through and add clothing items into here and let alone take them out, okay, because they'll either be stuck on a hanger or they'll be like stuck in like the clothes or whatever, and it's just a constant struggle that I don't want to have to go through. So my plan is that I want to move some of these clothes into my armoire across my room. So I need to go through that, clean it out, so that way I can transfer some of these clothes over there. So that way it can be an easy transaction for me to pick out my clothes. So the right side of my closet is the part of my closet that I neglect a lot, because I just don't know what to do with it. So let me get to the part of my closet that's a hot mess, and that would consist of my shoes. My shoes have just kept growing and I just did not know how to tame them. I just have so many shoes that it just doesn't even fit in my closet anymore. Like it came like all the way over here to my clothing rack. So this is my pile of shoes that spark me joy. Then we move over here to this pile. This is the donation pile. So this bag is from Victoria's Secret Pink, and I got this in high school. This was a very cute backpack, but to be honest, I like to carry a lot of things in my bags, and this is not the best bag to carry like heavy items, especially if you're in school. So this definitely killed my shoulders a lot, so I'm definitely giving this away. When I got this, I was very scared that I was going to lose the little curve that I have on my stomach when I was gaining weight, but now that I'm not gaining weight anymore, it's basically useless to me right now, so I'm giving this away. So this bag means a lot to me because this was the first bag that I brought myself when I got my first job at 18. This was the first designer bag that I got. It's from Bessie Johnson, and I believe this was like $180. But I was like really proud of myself because it was my first job. I wanted to, like, you know, reward myself, so I got this purse and I got a matching wallet with it too. It's some momentum. Next thing that was in that hot of a mess is this hot of a mess bag. So I asked for this for Christmas a very long time ago because I seen this one holographic bag that I really wanted, but it was sold out, so I settled with this one from Nasty Girl. And when I got it, I absolutely hated it so much. It was extremely stiff for me to use because this was supposed to be like a backpack too, and I couldn't really close the top. And like for me, when I'm in the city, I like to have closed backpacks and closed bags because people be like pickpocketing. They be slick, you know. So I cleaned out each one and I put them into sections. So this section right here is for my equipment, like my camera equipment, and also like electronics or tech stuff. And then over here is like very miscellaneous. Over there is trash, and then right there I'm planning on giving that away. Okay, so this is what the pile consists of right now. The donation pile, it's gotten pretty big. All that is closed. It's like a combination of purses, shoes, other things. And look how many hangers I have. If anyone can guess how many hangers is in this pile, you are awesome. But I think I'm gonna try to donate these hangers instead of trying to like sneak them into my brother's closet. So here's an overview of how my wardrobe is looking. It's not completely organized of how I want it to be, but at least I'm able to see what's under there, and also I'm able to see the wall in the back. So I do want to put shelves on this side, or like drawers or something, so that way I can like place my shoes over here and like other clothes from like over here to over there. Okay, so over here it looks very organized, which I'm very happy about. So my dresser was the one thing that I wanted to like organize and go through, and I feel like I did a really good job organizing, and I got rid of a whole lot of stuff. So right here I have all my jeans, pants, joggers that were in my closet. Put them all right here. I used the roll-up method, and it worked out pretty nicely, except for I wasn't able to fit all my jeans over here because they're pretty thick. Then I have all my leggings in here. Well, not all of them. I have majority of my leggings in here. And then over here I have my swimsuits and swimsuit cover-ups. The bottom drawer is still filled with a bunch of like stuff that I need to go through. That's gonna be on a different day, you know, because I got a ton of stuff in the bottom drawer that's non-clothes related. So inside the first drawer I have all of my sweats rolled up, and then I have any leftover leggings and pants that weren't able to fit in the drawer down there. Then I have all my bras, sports bras, and bandeaus all right here. Then in here I have my undergarments. I did organize it very nicely, but I don't want to show you guys that. It's too personal. I have like one side for underwear, middle for socks, and then the other side for like bras. And then up here is my loungewear and pajamas, and I have all of my bottoms and shorts on the right side, and then everything else like oversized t-shirts, regular shirts, pajamas, shirts, all right here. So that's it for like right now. I do plan on doing more organization for my room because a lot of things needs to still be organized. A lot of things I still need to go through, but as of right now I feel a lot better because I did get through like at least my dresser, because I haven't been through that in like years. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.